What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about Union Bank Travel Credit Cards. Kasi aside from travel credit cards ni Union Bank, meron din silang cashback, rewards, affinity, business, charity, gas or auto, then lifestyle credit cards si Union Bank. Isusunod ko na lang yung iba guys. Uunahin ko muna yung travel credit cards ni Union Bank. Pag-uusapan natin yung perks and benefits ng bawat credit card kasi merong 5 travel credit cards si Union Bank. Pag-uusapan natin kung paano rin kayo makapag-earn ng points sa bawat travel credit cards na ino-offer ni Union Bank. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys, credit cards, having the right card that make your life easier. Browse our selection and find the one that fits your lifestyle. So ito guys, nakikita nyo naman si Union Bank Travel Credit Cards. Merong 5 Union Bank Travel Credit Cards. So unahin ko na guys si Union Bank Miles Visa Signature Credit Card. So as you can see guys, earn miles that last forever for a lifetime adventures. Card benefits is earn fast. Earn 1 UB mile for every 30 pesos. So about 30 pesos spend nyo is 1 UB mile siya. Use anywhere. Convert your UB miles to redeem airline miles for your future travels or redeem cash credits that you can use to offset your next purchase. No expiry. Never expiring UB miles. Use anytime you want. VIP lounge access at select lounges here and abroad with free Dragon Pass membership for 2 complimentary visits per membership year. Travel with peace of mind. Up to 1 million pesos in insurance coverage when you charge your travel tickets to Union Bank Miles Plus credit card. So kailangan guys, kapag nag-book kayo ng tickets or any tickets ninyo to travel, you have to use your Union Bank Miles Plus Visa Signature. Then, complimentary 30-day purchase protection. So, actually, lahat sila guys may ganon. Then, next natin guys is Union Bank Miles World Mastercard. So, kanina guys, Union Bank Miles Plus Visa Signature. So, ngayon naman, si Union Bank Miles Plus World Mastercard. Si Union Bank Miles Plus World Mastercard, earn miles that last forever for a lifetime of adventure. So, yung card benefits niya guys is earn fast 1 UB mile for every 30 pesos spend. No expiry. Never expiring UB miles. Use anytime you want. VIP lounge access at select lounge here and abroad with free Dragon Pass membership and 2 complimentary visits per membership year. Travel with peace of mind, so up to 1 million yung travel coverage insurance niya. Then yung complimentary 30-day purchase protection, meron din. Purchases charged to your card are protected from accidental loss within 30 days from the date of purchase. So ngayon, let's move on to Cebu Pacific Platinum Credit Card. Cebu Pacific Platinum Credit Card, travel with the Platinum Club. Earn Go Rewards points with every spend, plus enjoy exclusive Cebu Pacific benefits and perks. Go for the faster way to fly with exclusive travel benefits. Earn 1 Go Rewards points for every 200 pesos spent. Earn 1 Go Reward point for every 100 pesos spent in Cebu Pacific. So kapag nag-book kayo ng ticket sa Cebu Pacific, 1 Go Rewards point for every 100 pesos spent. 1 Go Reward point is equals to 1 peso. Free airport lounge, and then yung free airport lounge niya is enjoy unlimited pre-departure lounge access by simply presenting your valid Union Bank credit card and use boarding pass bearing your name and valid photo bearing government issued ID at Marhaba. So yung partner lounge niya guys sa NAIA is yung Marhaba. Free travel insurance, yung free travel insurance naman niya is feel secure with travel insurance of up to 10 million when you charge your airline tickets to your Cebu Pacific Platinum Credit Card. Early alerts to Cebu Pacific seat sale. So, halimbawa yung mga naglo-launch di ba minsan ng Cebu Pacific seat sale. So, mauuna kayo dun guys. So, kakaroon kayo ng chance na kayo yung mauna pumili ng seats before it runs out. Automatic points crediting. To the link, you Go Rewards account Go Rewards amount every month. 3 to 5 business days from statement date. Free baggage allowance, guys. Free additional for baggage allowance for Union Bank Cebu Pacific Visa credit card holders. What is free What is free additional 4 kilogram baggage allowance for Union Bank Cebu Pacific Visa credit card holders starting September 11. So, tapos na. All principal and supplementary card holders of Union Bank Cebu Pacific Visa Gold Credit Card and Union Bank Cebu Pacific Visa Platinum Credit Card shall receive an additional free baggage allowance when they purchase 20 kilogram, 24, and 28 kilogram. So, yun yung kailangan nyo tatandaan, guys. Kailangan 20 kilograms, 24, 28. So, 28, so lumagpas ng 4 kilogram, umabot ng 32, tanggapin pa rin. Priority boarding. So, kapag may Cebu Pacific kayo, priority kayo sa boarding. Cebu Pacific Gold Credit Card. Then ngayon, let's talk about Cebu Pacific Gold Credit Card. Cebu Pacific Gold Credit Card. Get your points and go. Go your fastest way to fly for free with Cebu Pacific. So, ito maganda. Earn Go Rewards points with every spend and redeem for free flight. So, kailangan nyo muna mag-spend, of course. Then yung maipon yun, pwede nyo yung i-redeem as plane ticket sa Cebu Pacific. The fastest way to fly for free with Cebu Pacific. Earn 1 Go Rewards point for every 200 pesos spent. Earn 1 Go Reward point for every 100 pesos spent in Cebu Pacific. 1 Go Rewards point is equals to 1 peso. Free baggage allowance, tulad nung kaninang credit card, yung Visa. Then, priority boarding din siya. Then ngayon, let's move on to Union Bank Miles Plus Platinum Visa Card. So, kung mapapansin nyo guys, puro siya Miles Plus kasi we are talking about travel credit cards the Union Bank. So, yung Union Bank Miles Plus Platinum Visa Card, travel a great deal, enjoy multiple benefits. Charge your travel expenses to your Miles Plus Platinum Card and earn the most points from your travel expenses. 25 pesos is equivalent to 1 point. Earn points from everyday spend. 25 pesos is equals to 1.5 points. Earn plus points from travel-related spends. So, bawat travel-related, 1.5 points yung 25 pesos. Sa mga kung ano-anong anik-anik, 25 pesos is equivalent to 1 point. Free lounge access then free travel insurance. Experience Visa PayWave. So via Tap to Pay, you can use your Union Bank Cebu Pacific credit card. Experience quick and easy shopping at Visa PayWave. Accepted local and international merchant. So ito guys, I would like you to know that credit card details is confidential siya. Hindi nyo dapat pinapaalam kung kanino. Actually guys, ulit-ulit itong sinasabi to raise awareness that credit card details is not just a simple details. It holds your confidentiality kasi pwedeng gamitin yung credit card natin, yung credit card details lang sa online shopping like Shopee, Lazada, something ganyan. Kaya naman dapat aware kayo paano pangalagaan yung credit card details ninyo. So I think that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!